Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Pontiac G6. Stock number is A6477A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. You do have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise as well as audio controls are here. Full stereo, including a CD player and auxiliary input. Climate control and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this G6 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.